A wise man once said, "Shape your work tools right, for they will shape your work the right way." This simple motto guides us day after day to do our best. Incepted in 2011, Manar Tools Pvt Limited manufactures and supplies high-quality PCD, CBN tools, gun drill, indexable tools, solid carbide tools. This includes a wide range of versatile products material for the machining of steel, cast iron and non-ferrous metal products. From start to finish, our products are made with the latest laser technology used first time in India with the finest raw material. Precision, life are what makes us unique. Each range is customized to specification within a promised time frame. Manar supplies to all major sectors including automobiles, engineering, power, forging, aerospace and government research centers like ISRO. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure unit in Pune includes various sections like R&D, manufacturing, quality control, sales and marketing, and warehousing and packaging. What gives us an edge over everyone else are our prompt and punctual delivery of high-quality consignments, competitive pricing and commitment to customization. To build best tools and solutions by investing in most advanced technology, which will give highest level of customer satisfaction and enable to excel their business. The Manar team believes that it is not just quality but also quantity of quality that attracts and retains our customers. Our core values: delivering quality in time, in any case helping customers at best, creating happiness amongst ourselves and encouraging individual ability. Manar is helmed by founder-director Mr. Vishal Telge, qualified in MBA and Mechanical Engineering. As a trained engineer, Mr. Telge is in a good position to appreciate the importance of the right tools in accomplishing tasks, be they small or big, simple or complex.
In Manar, we always believe that there is always better way to do things. However far we have come, we can always go further. Continuous R&D, along with the tiniest detail, is the way of doing things. I can proudly say that we do not only just provide tools, but also we provide complete solution to the customer which will help them to excel in their business.
He is ably assisted in his quest for perfection by a dedicated and dynamic team that works around the clock to better their own best. Each product is carefully crafted and coordinated to perfection. The whole process is regulated with the help of ERP system. Manar Tools also organizes CSR activities regularly such as blood donation, orphanage, charity along with cultural and sports activities. Our stringent quality checks in pre-production of physical goods go a long way in preventing defects and avoiding problems in solutions or service. Quality inspections at the time of processing the tools and verification of specifications are part of our quality assurance, each time, every time.
It's a long journey since the inception of the company. Precision and quality has been our habit and forte. We believe that whatever we make must be a long-lasting solution that answers the problem completely. So it's not a part of the solution. It is a part of the problem, and this spirit motivates us to keep working over the years.
At a time when the government has made a clarion call to the manufacturing sector to make in India, we are proud to say that Manar Tools manufactures cutting-edge tools from cutting-edge thought and technology. Tools that are made in India and made for India as well as the world. Manar Tools Pvt Limited, shaping the tools that shape our today and tomorrow.